Gaming peripherals are the cornerstone of the PC gaming community, and budget-friendly items make up a sizable chunk of that industry. But does cheaper always mean better? What's going on YouTube? My name is Chris, and this is the K51 Neon gaming keyboard from Rosewill. It's a budget keyboard with some of the flair, but is it missing the essential components that make up a great gaming keyboard? Let's find out. Stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how you can win a gaming keyboard just like this one. I guarantee your holiday season is gonna be lit. Now, when you think about gaming keyboards, there are three things that come to mind. First, the keys. Many gaming keyboards these days feature mechanical key switches, such as the Cherry MX Browns found on this Ducky Shine 2 keyboard. Second, macro keys. A lot of gaming keyboards have programmable macro keys that allow you to assign functions within the game. Third, the lighting, or what I like to call the wow factor. Well, looking at the keyboard, it seems to be missing its macro keys. I really couldn't call this a gaming keyboard because it doesn't seem like it's really designed specifically for gaming. It looks like a regular 10-key keyboard with the desktop shortcut keys at the top. But when it comes to lighting, this keyboard delivers in spades. This RGB keyboard has 8 different backlight effects, including 2 rainbow modes, breathing mode, wave mode, static mode, spectrum, and ripple, and it also includes a custom mode which allows you to program different regions. What's great about the lighting system for this keyboard is that it doesn't require additional software in order to use the lighting effects. However, the downside is that there are very limited custom options. In custom mode, you're not allowed to change the lighting of individual keys, simply the pre-marked zones on the keyboard itself. You do have the ability to speed up, slow down, and even change the direction of a lot of these different modes. However, that's about all you're limited to. Next, let's take a look at the keycaps. Now, the keys use what's called a Mem-chanical key switch. Say it with me, Mem-chanical. Now, what the hell is Mem-chanical? Mem-chanical is exactly what it sounds like. It's a hybrid between membrane and mechanical. The name Mem-chanical comes from Rosewill, and it's a hybrid feel between the travel of a mechanical key and the mushiness of a membrane key. Memtastic! But the question remains, how does this keyboard compete with mechanical key switches? Let's have a listen. Well, during typing, I've noticed that it's quieter than my Cherry MX Browns, and it types quite well. But would I recommend this keycap for gaming? If you play competitive gaming, absolutely not. I would not recommend this keyboard whatsoever. I would recommend spending your money on a true mechanical keyboard. The mushy feeling during key actuation just doesn't feel quite as comfortable as it does with a mechanical key switch. That's just my personal opinion on it. Your opinion may vary. The other thing I noticed is that the USB cord is non-detachable. Now, this is not the fault of the keyboard itself. It is, again, a cost-saving measure. This is a feature that I've seen on a lot more higher-end keyboards. One of the best qualities of a well-made keyboard is flexibility, or should I say the lack thereof. This keyboard has very little flex, especially when you compare it to a Ducky Shine 2 mechanical keyboard. As you can see here, this general use Microsoft keyboard has quite a bit of flex, and that's because it doesn't have the internal structure to be able to resist bending. Even though this Rosewill keyboard does not have a backplate, it is relatively light, but it feels very sturdy, and that's what I like most about it. This keyboard comes in 2 varieties, a black version and a white version. The white version is better for showing off the RGB lighting. However, I could see how this could easily get very dirty very quickly, so that might deter some users from purchasing this keyboard. It's a fact that in recent years, mechanical keyboards have come down in price significantly, which makes this keyboard a very hard sell. If you can find this on discount, I highly recommend picking one up. Giveaway time! So I am giving away this Neon K51 keyboard from Rosewill. In order to enter the contest, all you need to do is click the link in the video description below. Alright guys, now for the downside. This contest is only open to citizens of the US. I know, you're gonna hate me, but because the international community comprises a large portion of you that watch my videos, I decided that I'm gonna be giving away 2 prizes just like I did last time. So for people living in the United States, including Puerto Rico and Guam and Virgin Islands, you guys are gonna be eligible to win the K51 Neon keyboard. And for those of you living outside of the United States, I'm gonna be giving away a Steam gift card for $20. Just like this one here. So make sure you guys get entered in. So I'm going to be drawing 2 winners, one for the keyboard and the other for this Steam gift card. Make sure you follow all the rules in the description, and I will be announcing the winner in January. Don't delay, get signed up today. So thank you so much for watching this review of the Neon K51 keyboard from Rosewill, and if you enjoy the content in this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share the video. Make sure you share the video, let people know about the contest. Join the Modern Nation and get subscribed today by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, make sure you click on the bell icon inside of that subscribe button to be notified the moment that I release new YouTube videos. I'm trying to release new YouTube videos throughout the month of December. It's kind of been difficult just because I've been so incredibly busy. My way of saying thank you this holiday season is by giving away the K51 keyboard and the Steam gift card, but the only way you can get entered for this contest is by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So make sure you get subscribed and make sure you click on the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. And as always, you can reach me by social media. I'm available via Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can catch me streaming every Friday and Saturday evening on Twitch. On Fridays, you can catch me streaming on YouTube and Twitch. And on Saturdays, I stream with fellow streamer Filthy Icon on his channel, but I auto-host through Twitch, so you should be able to watch it on my channel as well. Make sure you check the information to my right to find out what my current streaming schedule is. And when you buy products from Amazon this holiday season, consider using the affiliate link in the video description below. Thank you so much for all your love and support, guys. I really appreciate everything that you do for me. And hey, if you enjoy watching the video content on my channel, let me know about it. I love hearing from you guys. So yeah, in the meantime, make sure you get entered into that contest and maybe you will win. We'll see. But until then, I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.